What's up, traders? I hope you all having an awesome weekend. So this weekend, I'm not going to upload a long video because I'm actually getting ready for my next business trip and a little holiday as well. But I will keep you guys updated whichever part of the world I am, as long as I have the internet and I have the signals. Just want to give you a quick update here on net gas, gold, and crude oil. And also, before I start my videos, I have few members who have just joined the priority group and their emails are bouncing back. So make sure if you're not receiving any alerts, please check your junk folders, or you can send me a quick DM on Instagram so that we can fix that. We didn't have many trading opportunities last week, which is totally fine. I've just sent one trade alert last week because that is the one I could see a best entry. Other than that, there was nothing much going on in the market, and that is totally cool, guys. We don't have to be in the trade every time. If there's a good signal and if there's a good entry, only then we go for the trades. But if you're trading on the different time frames, like 1 hour, 15 minutes time frame, you can take your entries according to the entry patterns you learn in the priority group. With that being said, let's start our analysis with nat gas. I'm going to go through gold, silver, and crude oil today. So starting with nat gas. So as you can see, what do we have? The market was pushing down and we are still waiting for the price to hit our zone right here. So we do have an interesting situation on Oanda. We have a hit of the zone here, but at this point, this is a valid engulfing candle, but I want to see this condition right here. So looking at this pattern right here, I'm only expecting a push up till 50 EMA before we can see a continuation. So I'm only buying once the price hit this zone right here, which I've already mentioned in my video. And going back on daily time frame, as you can see, I do want to see this pattern. Once we have this pattern, once the market hit the zone below 5.502, goes down to 5.176, only then I want to look for my buy trades. So for now, let's see how the market opens. If it opens in gap, let's say gap down straight away here, then we can start to look over buy trades. And if we are broken below this low, if the market closed below this low, only then I will look for sell continuation. At this point, we are still looking for sell opportunities. Let's say if we have green candle, then we have a very likely chance we can get another red candle below 50 EMA. Market is in a very strong downtrend, and that is why we will be only looking to buy once we have a hit of this area. So we need to be patient before we enter buy trades. Right here on Owanda, like I said, we have a situation here. The market is in the support area right here. We have this engulfing candle. At this point, still, guys, I'm not going to enter buy trade. This is not a very strong support, and this is the price is also below 50 EMA at this point. Yes, we can expect a push up to 50 EMA. You looking at this bullish engulfing candle, it depends if the market opens below or opens above in gap, but I'll be again buying once we have a hit of this green zone. Looking at the daily time frame, once we have a hit of this green zone, I will go long. At this point, we can still expect some push down till this zone. So that is it for nat gas, guys. So overall, we are only waiting for the price to hit this zone. We're looking for sell conditions. Only we can expect a push up till 50 EMA before we can see another red engulfing candle, something like this. Once we have a hit of 50 EMA before we can see another push down. So only buy once we are in this green zone. Let's check gold. Right here, gold is now in the level of minor support. So this is the minor support, not a major support. We also have an engulfing candle. This is a weak engulfing candle at the support area. I want to see a candle that fully engulfs the previous candle, including the wick. So that is not happened here at this point. We might see a little push up and then push down, and then we might see a push up again. 50 EMA is the place if you are in the buy trade where I want to exit my trades. So if we are broken below this low, then we have a likely chance that the gold will push down to the lowest level of support, which is 1631. So at this point, we can expect some bounce out of gold till 50 EMA. Let's check crude oil. Right, crude oil is now in the resistance area, but we do have a head and shoulder pattern as well. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, it is a valid head and shoulder pattern, and at this point I won't be buying. Price is above 50 EMA, that is fine, but looking at this head and shoulder pattern, that is why I won't be looking for any buying trades until I see a push up break above this high, and then we can have a pullback to take our long trades till 91.70 goes up to 92.48. So at this point I will wait, and I'm expecting a push down out of crude oil. Let's check silver. Right, so silver, as you can see, made push up, made a high, pullback, and we have a nice engulfing candle. That is a valid pullback entry for me. So if I want to take my targets, I would go 180R, which is 24. So I want to go 24 pips above and 24 below. So that is how my target will look like. 19.50 will be my take profit and 19.01 will be my stop loss. So looks bullish to me, and I won't be selling silver at this point. I will be only selling silver once we are completely broken below 50 EMA. At this point, we have a candle that has closed above 50 EMA. And the next zone from where I want to sell silver is 19.78 goes up to 20. So that is it for commodities, guys. If you have any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green the rest of the week. Have an awesome weekend. Take care.